Hey, good evening, guys. NZT, USD, USD, CHF, USD, JPY, UCAD. I was looking for short in this one. I was waiting for a deeper correction towards this kind of level before price managed to clear this low. Possibly we have some rate folder news events for USD, for CAD, this NY session, rate changes and monetary policy, I think. Yep. So it's possible that we're going to clear this low within next 1 2 candles. I'm just not interested in looking for lower time frame setups. Mm, Almost every pair is stuck inside the previous day's range, previous day's price range, except UCAD. Look at this. Your gold also cleared this previous day high. USD CAD, AUD USD cleared previous day high and right now correcting back lower. NZT USD failed to clear the previous day high. USD CHF was stuck inside. USD JPY was stuck inside. I really want to look for shorts in USD JPY, but it doesn't seem like a high probability one. And the only reason behind this is that USD is possibly gonna correct, show us some deeper correction. We have 2 days left for the monthly candle to close. So it's better if we just take a step back right now and wait for a few more sessions to give us good tradable opportunities. USD JPY. I'm gonna look for shorting opportunities here if I find any kind of structural shift, strong structural shift from this kind of levels. I'm gonna set my alert over here and let's wait for it. I want to see some strong structural shifts in 1 hour before entering into this position. It really doesn't look like a really high probability setup. Doesn't look like a high probability setup at all. USD CAD, there is nothing. Euro USD. Euro USD is correcting back lower. Euro JPY is showing us some really good deeper correction in daily time frame. We have already cleared this lows. If Euro USD managed to correct, show us a deeper correction, in that case, it's possible that we will see some deeper move in Euro JPY too. At the same time, JPY USD JPY is possibly gonna show us some bearishness. Hmm. Nah, nothing. Let's look at some minor pairs. Let's see what's going on over there in daily perspective. USD, AUD CAD, NZD CAD, GBP CAD. We're into a really healthy trend, and right now we're seeing some deeper correction. CAD is dropping, GBP is thrusting towards upside. It's possible that we're gonna get some good OT setup from this kind of levels. Not a OT setup, but if I find price rejecting from this area in 4 hour, I will definitely think about building a long position, targeting towards this high. Definitely something that I need to add in my watch list. AUD CHF, we're above, we're just breaking above the 200 EMA in daily time frame, and we're just trying to create a new bullish trend maybe. CHF, what is the story in CHF? USD CHF is very impulsively dropping, and we're creating some really important lows. Look at this. It's possible that we're going to see some deeper correction towards upside in USD CHF. So in that case, it's possible that we're going to clear this high. AUD is bullish. Mm, so it's possible that we're going to trade above this highs. In 4 hour, we're beautifully bouncing from this OT level. That was a clean setup. Sweep of liquidity, break of structure, leaving fair value gaps. And look at this beautiful play. I just want to see some corrective phase downside so that I can build a long position with a stop loss below this level and target towards this high. Let's see if I'm getting a 1 to 3. Okay, I want to see price somewhere around here in order to get involved with trade. Let's see, I'm gonna add this into my watch list too. Mhm, mhm. GBP CHF. NZD CHF, same storyline as AUD CHF. Euro CAD. Oh, CAD is dropping, man. CAD is dropping. I hate this kind of price action. Look at this. Overall, the sentiment is really bullish for this pair. Mhm. Okay, if I find some bullish candle closure in daily time frame in next few days, then I can plan for a long. The monthly time frame looks like this, and we're just flipping from here. So it's possible the next monthly candle is going to open, trade back a little lower, and then start moving towards upside. Hmm. USD, Euro, CAD. Let's see. Let's see. I just want to see some bullish price thrusting inside before adding this into my watch list. Euro, CHF, nothing. AUD NZT, monthly time frame, weekly time frame. We are here. We're just gonna close this monthly time frame within the next 2 days. We don't have anything to target for this side. hmm Nothing. I'm gonna skip it. Euro, Euro is okay. GBP NZT, GBP CAD. We're looking for longs. GBP NZT, huh? In daily time frames, overall price action is bullish. Overall trend is bullish. This was a beautiful trend line. It was following, and right now we're just breaking below it. Is it possible that we're gonna see some deeper correction into this one? Possible. Mm, In daily time frame, we are here. Even though we are currently standing at the 200 EMA, it's possible that we're going to trade below this low. In 4 hour, I just want to see something like this. That's it, another. Cool. Cat CHF, nothing. Euro NZD, nothing. G Euro GBP. We can target for this lows. Excuse me. Which is breaking below this level and daily time frame. In 4 hour, I just want to see some deeper correction into this level, and then we can look for shorts if we find any strong 4 hour rejection from this level. So I'm gonna set an alert. Let's wait for it. BTC USD, Bitcoin. Looks like we're just bouncing from the OT. It's possible that we're gonna create a new uptrend. I'm just not a BTC guy, believe me. So let's keep it. EJ, AJ. We can look for long in almost every JPY, ABC JPY pair, but I'm just gonna keep GBP USD and AU, USD in my watch list for now. CHF JPY. The trend is really healthy, but we're just too much extended towards upside. Look at this. We're far away from this 200 EMA daily time frame. Is it possible that price is gonna make a new higher high? Possible, I think. The correction is really good. If I just want to bet on the trend that the trend will continue, if I just want to bet on that, then I can definitely take this trade from around this level. The safest stop loss is obviously gonna be below this lows. I'm just gonna set my alert over here and let's see how it unfolds. The spreads, the only problem that I face with this minor pairs is the overnight spreads. They're hilarious sometimes. UNCT, nothing. GBP USD trying to. We just we're just opening a new 4 hour candle. It's possible that we're gonna clear this low. Okay, let's stop micromanaging things and let's wait for more price action to unfold. I'm just gonna keep those this pairs into my watch list. And as planned, I'll be waiting for setups in this one. GBP CAD, I'm gonna wait for price to show us some good rejection in 4 hour from this kind of level, and then I can plan for a long targeting towards this high with a safe stop loss, targeting for 1 is to 3 export ratio. That's gonna be a really long-term swing trade. Similarly for AUD CHF, I'm gonna wait for it little corrective phase downside so that I can long this pair with a stop loss below this, because this look like a really textbook setup for me. Overall trend is bullish in daily time frame. Uh, we're just breaking above the 200 EMA and we can target for this high in long term. So yeah, that's gonna be a good high probability trade for me. I'm gonna definitely keep this in my watch list. GBP NZD, it's possible that we're gonna clear this low, even though we are standing at 200 EMA right now. But we can see we are just breaking below this strong trend line that it was trying to hold from last few months, and we're just breaking below it right now. So it's possible that we're gonna trade below this low, even though it's a low probability trade because we are trading against the trend here. But definitely, I will love to see some good rejections in 4 hour and from around this level, and then I can plan for a short targeting towards this low. Euro AUD, I'm gonna look for some good rejections from this level so that I can target towards this low. And these lows are actually some internal range sell side liquidity in daily and weekly time frame. We're very near to this, and it looks like a high probability liquidity to me. So definitely, I'm gonna monitor this setup too. So yeah, that's all from my side, guys. Have a great day, and see you soon on the next session.